Hi BoardLammers, this is John with a quick overview of our new customizer. It's been a long road. We've made a lot of updates. We've heard a lot of your requests, and we really got a system here we think is going to be very helpful to everyone. So how do you get there? There's a lot of ways throughout the site, but just to show you kind of the most obvious and fastest is to hover over this area, the customizer, and you can click this Start Customizing button, or you can just come to any of these, which are all the customizable products. So let's go to a standard FIBERLAMS sheet customization. The customizer is initializing. Here you see your print area. You notice that you're in the product of sheet prints in the print style of FIBERLAMS standard. You can switch either of these from within the interface to rice paper or another product type like a full board print or a complete surfboard. But for our focus on FIBERLAMS standard, let's do that. Here's our length, 72 inches, our width 58. So the way we can change this is by selecting the length. Maybe we need just a smaller project, so we can reduce that down. And from here we can do a lot of things like add artwork. So let's click the Add Artwork button. Down here are all of our stock designs. You can use any of these elements, no additional charge, or you can upload your own. I've kind of done that kind of ahead of time here so we can get through this quick and get you back to your day. So here is something I imported already, the sugar skulls image. I can bring that in here to my sheet layout. Again, you can fill this with as many different elements as you want. If it fits inside the design area, it prints. So let's say you want that sugar skull, and you also want to add a piece of plywood. So here's a plywood coming in, adding to the sheet. I can rotate it with the rotation tool, move it to another area in the sheet, kind of straighten it up. I can grow it by clicking the grow icon here. So now I've created a sheet layout with my two elements that I want printed, and I'm good to go. You can collapse these sections at any time if you want to clean up your view, but essentially that's it. You've done your first customization. Once you're all set and satisfied, you click the order button. You can add some notes. You are the greatest. Thank you. I thrive on validation, and click order. Order is assembling it and adding it to your shopping cart. When we get to the shopping cart, a couple of nice features that I'd like to point out to you. There in the cart you can do things like reorder or edit the design by clicking this edit design button. Suppose you wanted to change this to another picture or anything, rather than having to start from scratch, you can edit the design, which will add another product to the cart. So just delete the one you don't want. Here are some item details about the files that you added, what sheet size you ordered. Here's a 3D preview, which is really fun if you wanted to check it out in 3D, and also a link to reorder. So all of this is here in your cart, but it also can be retrieved from your order confirmation email, or by logging into your account to see your order history. So if you want to reorder and get something again, you're done. Just check that email or log into your account, click these links, and you're back in business. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy the new customizer. If you have any questions as you get through it, don't hesitate to contact us.